LJBC.
Oh yeah?
Breaking back down below VWAP. It's been here before, but keeps getting bought up above it. I gotta wait for the bell now though. It's 8 minutes away. I don't trade this close to the bell.
There we go. ECTC going to 20.
Yeah. I told you if it gets back over 19, there's a high probability she sees 20 again. She gets over 20, dude. You're freaking in for a wicked ride.
Yep.
And this is all-time highs, right?
Yeah.
So, where it's gonna go from here, who the hell knows? 1343 was the previous high. I mean, I'd like to see it revisit down there eventually.
Yeah, you and me both.
Doesn't look like she's gonna do that today, but. Alright, LJBC and ACTC are my two main watches. Switch over my charts. God, I'm so hungry and I haven't had coffee and I want to kill someone. Swear to God, I'm more hungry because I can't eat.
Can't even drink coffee. That sucks.
Oh, man. I woke up and I had a tiny sip of water because my mouth was so dry. I was like, there ain't no way I'll just have this sip. I googled it. They said water normally doesn't even affect it, but they just do that for precaution. Sound like a little sip and can kill me. But I can't have coffee.
Maybe we'll get a little blow off here, and then I'll run back down to 17. That would be nice.
Down to 17?
ACTC down to 17.
It's not impossible. I'm gonna have it on watch at the bell. That and LJPC.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh, good morning, fearless leader. I don't know who else was in here last night. There was a guy in chit chat, Marlin or Marlin, with a slightly inappropriate avatar.
Huh?
I didn't see his avatar.
Yeah, I didn't see. Did they say something?
No, nothing wasn't talking. The mic was actually shut off. Just happened to be in the room and chat.
Well, I guess no harm, no foul.
Just letting the mods know what's going on.
Well, you're a mod, bro.
Am I?
Uh-huh.
I don't see
alright.
him in the list here.
I didn't know I could kick Devin out. I thought only you could do that.
Yeah, he's a mod.
That's a double-edged sword.
Both kick each other at the same time, then you can't unkick each. You can't like fix it.
We're both stuck out.
Oh no!
Thomas! 20, man. There's your 20, man. 20.
What is wrong with my charts?
Thomas, did you go long on ACTC like I told you?
See this?
No, man.
I'll restart.
Damn it.
Oh,
It's definitely showing to be a sure bet.
You guys, if you don't,
I left it up overnight, so
what more can I do?
Wondering if
I told you when I'm short. I told you to go long. If you don't listen, I'm trying here.
Appreciate the effort, man.
You know, I can't buy the damn thing for you. I'm shorting it.
LJPC looking like she wants to die.
There we go. There's a nice little pullback ACTC.
Oof. Son of a bitch. Why is it gonna do this now?
just saw one other thing that I didn't change last night.
Which one?
LJPC.
Oof. That's a nice little dump on that.
Excuse me.
I can't watch that. I got two other stocks in there I gotta watch. And I'm trying to work at the same time. It's not a good combination. I'm definitely gonna screw up somewhere. Probably with the trading.
Good luck, everybody. See, is anybody in here? I forgot to put this over there. Thomas Constantine. Mom, get out of here. Just kidding. Nick, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Got about 3 minutes here.
I need that every 7. I don't have to watch that.
Scanner day for me as well. I see Brian said the same thing. I took a quick browse when I first got up at the gappers. Wasn't really interested in anything.
I would have chased it down here and I would have grabbed it.
Get my fish oil, my vitamin D, my proteins.
Where's Snoop Jaggy Jag?
Trying to chase those chickens. They got out last night.
Eat it when the chickens escape.
Alright, is ACTC going to reject the high, or is he going to go blast right through it? I vote for reject. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. The ayes have it. Oh, but you're still aye. You're long it, aren't you?
Is that something you're gonna have them watch, Thomas? At
Yeah, man. Gotta get that fish oil. It's good for you.
All-time highs, yeah. I might have it up on the screen. I ain't gonna pay much attention to it.
Don't worry. I'll tell you what. I'll keep you in the loop.
What are you in, Steve?
ACTC.
Alfred Charlie, Thomas Charlie. Or agrotherapy Tom Charlie, as Devin would like to say.
Telecommunication Charlie.
1 minute, like 10 seconds.
Less than a minute. There's the 20. That's not good.
Good luck, everybody. A float on this side.
Boy. This is gonna get it. Oh, wrong direction. Oh shit.
This thing doesn't have a float.
Shit.
It's gonna be hard to borrow for me too, and I'm not even seeing a float on it. You're on your own on that one.
Alright, there we go. There we go. No, we don't.
Oh, shit. Fuck. I didn't take the other PC.
Spread on.
JVC. Alright, CCIV made a little bit off of.
VWAP climbed quick with this thing. Pretty big move.
Going back too much. Anybody get CCIV to the downside?
Negative.
Jeez, wish I would have shorted it at the top. I got where I hit my sell, would have been a great short.
You just started this pretty early now, looks like.
There we go.
There you go, ICTC, you're back green, huh?
There you go. Yeah, it averaged up also. I've got my average to 1950.
Nice, man.
Let's go. Under 19. A little revenge on this thing.
Might as well just fucking get rid of it. I don't know why I did that. I didn't want it there.
Hey Thomas, is this an all-day fader? You're the master of finding those.
Nah, hold up, I'm in a tree.
Okay, good luck.
I missed this one. Should focus on this piece of crap.
CCIV is all over the place.
Should have been in caper. Instead of messing with this piece of crap.
Let's go. There we go.
I didn't saw this one.
Keep going. Keep going.
Are we out of shorts on this?
Let's go.
No, I didn't. Oh, because it's stop. Shit. Missed the ad there.
There we go.
take that on APXT.
Nice.
See if we can get the drop down. We're not gonna add any more of this.
Nice when it's just doing nothing.
No, I got out.
No, good. I'm watching it and you go nice. I'm like, alright.
Well, it stayed down there. It didn't jump up on me.
Yeah.
And now it did. Got out at 1882 from 1950.
And just grinding away. Not good. It's probably gonna stop us out for sure.
Oh, yalla! Holy moly! We're gonna get out of this one too? Oh, 1703, so close. Alright, now we gotta watch this one now.
See how many more times I can screw that up.
We'll go low on that. 1871, got our 1882, this is good. Let's go, yalla. Come on down.
You watching that?
I'm in AR. It's gonna stop me out. High of day. I got some APXT.
Goes LJPC back up.
It won't be mad taking this one for break even if it wants to give it to us, but just need some kind of a pullback. Just can't quite get it. We're gonna get stopped. The big ass there at 56, which was at high day, is gone.
Let's go. We get yellow under 17.
Need big shove down here.
Bids dropping, after dropping.
Come on, let's get that push down.
Good.
One good push down.
Get out of this mistake.
There we go, come on. It's so slow too. Just keeps reclaiming 50. It's not looking good. There's a lot of liquidity sitting up there at 65, 68, 765 and 768. So market maker might see that and it's like, oh, we're so close.
CPIV. That's when you see you got some on there.
There we go. Come on. Nah. Camo. We can't get this to do anything. Actually, I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. Just keeps getting back up to 50. Hopefully it holds it down this time.
I'm short this ACTC.
Oh yeah? Right where I got out, huh? Where I covered. Go down to 17 for you, man.
Yeah, I think we're out of share. We're gonna run out of shares on that. That's why I'm not gonna touch that.
Alright, let's take it off there, break even. And there it went.
Woo!
Come on, AR, you can do it.
And there it went.
Oh. Holy schmoly.
What the hell? Look at that.
Oh.
Come on.
Alright, on to the next one, dude. I don't have time to focus on this stupid thing.
That is
just
crazy
want
move.
a small pullback. Just a small pullback.
I don't have time to. Oh, this LJBC looks so garbagey, man. That might go down, but I don't.
Just to show you what we're looking at here. In the 50s down here is 720. We can't even get. We can't even get here. This thing just doesn't want to pull back.
Oh, look at this. I should have longed it.
Well, let me.
Where'd it go?
There we go. This actually looks like we could get a little heavy
here.
Oh
my god. I got it at 1882. Thank god.
Would have just longed it. I mean, I covered it for, I guess it was a small one.
There we go. See if we can get a little flush. Not asking for much here. Just looking for a flush.
Would have been a baller. Jeez, that would have been the one I needed today.
There we go.
More than $6. Jesus Christ, look at this thing.
Yeah. No, oh, it's $2, right? 19 where I got it.
There we go. Let's get the flush 240.
This is going high day.
Oh my god.
There it is.
Yeah, it's about to hold.
There it is.
Give us the big flush 240. There we go. There we go. Come on. A little bit more.
Oh my god, am I glad I'm out of that.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. On the bid. And take it there. Not gonna risk it bouncing right off my average. Not after the pain that put us through. We'll take the green trade. We'll be good with it.
About 15 minutes, weird.
Alright. Move on from that piece of crap.
I was off break even by 7 cents.
Talk about needing patience.
At one point I was.
We want more of these trades. APXT. Man.
Now we gotta wait.
What a jerk that thing was.
Is the CCIV gonna do the same as the last
Of course, it just broke down too. Well, it didn't break down, but finally it gave us a little bit of a break. We would have got filled at least.
I love that sound there.
But not gonna be worried about $2 after dealing with that crap. I mean, this thing might finally fade. It got under VWAP. I was afraid it was gonna not get under VWAP.
Got that, then I got my assumption.
I was just happy to get out of that. As much volume as that had, it felt like it had no volume.
I was like, these are the sounds
this
that
thing going.
Represents. Well, fungus man.
Oh, missed that one. Oh, really missed that one. I was gonna hit it. Oh, well.
I don't mean yesterday and today, great days. Get me out even.
I saw Docu's been on the this thing's been on the scanner all morning. I've been doing my best to stay away from these types of tickers.
Lucky just said ACTC to 32.
Alright.
Whoa, what happened to ACTC? I just pulled that up. That would be called everyone ran out of shorts.
No, I got it.
Yeah, it came right back up.
Evan's Lobin's account before he gets his teeth taken out.
That would be unfortunate.
He's like, I don't want the pain of the tooth. Let me think about this. That'll hurt even worse than my tooth. I can't believe it's 9:40 and I'm gonna have to watch Yala for the next 8 hours.
Are you? What's wrong with Yala? You in Yala?
Other than the fact that it doesn't move.
I mean, it has 366,000 volume for the entire day so far.
Yeah.
He's been short of for days.
Oh, gotcha. What's your average?
1993. 1996.
You almost got there.
I know. I didn't even see I was that close. I might have actually. No, I wouldn't have. Who am I kidding? I wouldn't have taken it for a loss.
Yala's brother Kala, C-A-L-A, is moving. Not really, but it does have more volume than it.
That doesn't take much.
See, we got over 20 people in here again, guys. If you guys want a chance at the Team ISW scanners for the rest of the week, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start doing this every week, but you lose a day every day that we don't get a chance to draw. But if we can get the live stream to 20 likes, we'll give away Team ISW for the rest of the week.
Good luck, sir.
CCIV, I didn't even see that pop up. Sit downside.
LJPC would have been nice. $43. Alright, let's see what ACTC does now.
The heck is that?
Good enough. There's another $50.
There you go. That'll pay for the Uber. To take you to your COVID test.
Perfect. Those are free.
Good, an extra $50 in your pocket.
And there you go.
ACTC to 23.
Is it open?
Yeah. Shot up to 23, now down to 22.
That's bananas, dude.
I can't trade that.
This would be a quick one here if I get on the right side of it, but
yeah, it's gonna be quick one way or the other. 23 might have been the top. Although, at least of this candle. Oh, there you go. There's 23. Over. I wonder if the shorts are free anymore.
And the shorts are free.
Let's take a look and see. I'm glutton for punishment. Yes, they are.
Looks like you should have got in there.
Looks like I should have got in there.
Soul would have been good there, 2350. Pulled it up too late.
The button, but I had my order too
I didn't even. It wasn't really high. It wasn't alerting.
Let's see.
What people need to play. My lack of time, dude. I can't be focused on that.
That would have been an immediate satisfaction.
CCIV looks like a good
trade.
exit. This to the bottom.
Wow, that would have been a really nice short up there.
That thing's whippy as hell, man.
Come on, give me one more pop-up. Give me a pop-up.
I can't trade that. I don't
Isia.
pattern was. Unless it was the top, you didn't touch that. What about you, Thomas? You pick that?
No, which one?
ACTC.
Oh, no, you did.
That's been a big win.
121. Oh well. That's my Yala. Yala's sitting there.
My ACTC said 65,000 shares all morning, so I'm assuming those aren't actually there.
It's not changing.
Yeah, so usually when that happens, it just means there's none there.
Nah, it would be a surprise if there's only 65,000 if they were still sitting there. I'm sure a lot of people are rushing in to blow up their account. That's gotta be a little
wait for
lower.
me. E-Trade said 27 million outstanding, so who knows?
I'm sure
Dude, if
different
my
people have
cover-
more.
If my cover would have been my buy, I would have literally bought basically the bottom of that green candle.
Yep.
And it would have just gone straight up.
Yeah, you wouldn't have had any choice but the profit.
Yeah, it's like I can't help it.
Has Etsy made a red candle?
I don't
Oh,
think I
yeah,
could have got
shit.
out fast enough to not make money.
Yeah, look how grindy this looks. Stay away from that.
Funny, I see that little green arrow down there, but then I don't see any red arrows above it. It's sad. Yeah, I'm giving it 7 more minutes and I'm gonna say later, haters. Not a quite goal day, but could have been worse. CCIV went lower, some of the desync, that.
Ooh. Etsy's actually... How is Etsy at $200?
I bought something on there last night.
Well, that explains it. I mean, I remember trading this thing not that long ago. It was probably like 60 something.
You should have held it.
Oh, I was short. That would have sucked.
Wow.
Look at it.
You should have
It's
held it.
squeezing. Holy shit.
And CCIV.
Come on, Yala, you do it.
Play around with Etsy. You're gonna go pretty small on it.
Taking them off there for a small win. Today's Scalp Trader Devon Day.
Well, Lance isn't here. Someone's got to do it.
That was totally a Lance move, what I just did. Those tend to work too. ACTC, wow, what a dump, huh?
Where's it at now? I'm watching Yala.
2060s.
Alright. Yeah, I had 2260 up. But, didn't work.
Scalp Trader Devon. Oh, most of my money today is coming from CCIV. After the bell, that is. Long twice and short once. There's my trades. Probably it's for me.
This thing is just holding here.
Let's go. $14.30 is the low of the pre-market. See if this turns around and makes a lower high.
Might have just been trying to eat this liquidity here at 205.
Guess nobody believes in that stupid company. And a weird Jack's not here. Not bet money, that's like.
Dude, we just had shorts on JMIA. I'll turn my head to look at OXY. Turn my head back. And
Wasn't expecting this to go through to 205 like it did. Kind of felt like it might have been one of them fake out breakouts there. I was
Morning.
Oh my god, they got me.
wrong. Speak of the devil.
I will see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah,
Later,
good luck.
man.
I did talk to you a little bit later this evening, bro.
Good luck, man.
This is why I started this thing small. Just gonna let it go, honestly. See if it comes back down. Not really. Unless it wants to give us a clear backside type ad. Just make sure we don't miss anything silly.
No, not really.
Just gonna be looking to get out of Etsy. Look at the volume on this thing. Holy smokes. 540 mil float, but it's half of that already as far as the volume goes. The penny stocks, man, they're crazy. It's under $1 pre-market. What's the higher? 207? Yes. This thing could definitely be getting... Yeah, you can see the algos at work here. Gonna wait for backside for any kind of an ad here. Now it's starting to look grindy again, even with these bigger candles, which is not good. Whoa, Zom. Jeez, should have missed that one. Wow. Was not expecting that with all that volume like that. Thought it might have been a little bit harder to go through those key areas, but it said, nah, I'm good. We're just going to keep on going. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here playing a fucking big stock like I said I wouldn't do. Gotta love it. $207.52. It's starting to get spready too. I was gonna hit the button if we broke that candle, but I don't want to chance this just being one of them stupid fakes. I'm just gonna look to get out of this one, break even. If it wants to give us a pullback,
Nice.
I'm not gonna get greedy with it.
Profit.
I shouldn't have been in this one to begin with. If anything, I
It
should have been
dropped.
looking for
Yep.
that
Oh,
as
yeah,
a
she
first
did.
entry.
About 1676.
Yep.
Nice. Now it's going down to 16, but I don't care. I'm out with a profit. That works for me.
Yeah, so far it's a little bit of one of those fakes.
That's why we hold the trade.
Yeah.
Although I should have held it longer.
Alright, we're just gonna go for it. Stop at highs. Feels like it could be weak here.
Alright, made a couple $100 on that. Nice and easy. See? Woo.
204.47.
What a start to 2020.
We can get a nice little flush here through this 205. Could be a short trap, right? Looks like it's gonna get heavy. They fake you out looking like it's gonna
There
drop,
we go.
and
Now you
then
can go
go
to
right back to
break.
highs and squeeze.
I'm going.
So
Have fun.
if that's what happens, that's what happens. We'll be done with it. Kind of frustrating. Get back our gains on the day, but hopefully it just blows through
Lance, where were you this
205
morning? We
here.
missed you.
A couple things I had to do. I thought I'd be back in time, but didn't happen.
Put my
Got a
finger on
couple
cover
chicken
half,
tenders.
just in case we get a nice little push down, but not as far as we wanted.
Kevin was gonna have his lunch if that happened.
He's gonna have some lunch.
No,
So through 205, we might get a decent little flush.
Today.
Loose. All we can have now is soft-boiled eggs.
The spread just won't
42-year-old
stop. Just keeping the spread's what's keeping it up there.
What are you trading?
Nothing. I'm just looking at BMRA. Don't have shorts on it though.
Oh well.
Come on, 205. Give us the break. Come on. Need the ass to come down with it. It's fighting here, which isn't good because if the shorts start getting a little antsy, they might start covering, and then we're going to squeeze right through high of day. But if we can get that 205 break, some of the buyers, there we go, come on. Say some of the buyers might start to actually sell. Come on, go right through it. Yeah, there we go. Come on, pull them. 204.47. Right at our average on the bid. Come on.
Oh, 40s. Gonna go back to down to my original entry.
Bounced right off our average as of right now.
I left a couple bucks on the
See
table.
if we can get an actual move down here. Come on. There we
Oh
go.
my God,
Come on,
there's
through
the
204.
There's the 16.
There it is. I'm gonna take half there just to be safe. Geez, we actually got that at our average. That jumped that quick. That's a bummer. Let's see if we can get this down under 203. That was kind of crappy. I thought I was hitting that at 203.70 and it went all the way back up to 204.43. Alright, I'm just taking that off break even, guys. I'm not messing with this. I shouldn't have been in this to begin with, so take it out break even. I was getting a little greedy with it at the end there. Be fine taking it break even. Get that one completely off my screen. Should have never been in it. I mean, it was a good trade, but these bigger name tickers, guys, people actually believe in the companies, and it's just harder to get them to come back down. I mean, you got penny stocks like ZOM here, you know, they just elevator flush. So that's what I should have been focused on, not on Etsy. XPEV going straight up. This BMRA is halted. It's a lower float. XPEV, I think, burned us a few times back when it made the last run. Looks like a breakout on the daily. If I play this one, I might go a little smaller with it as well. See what it does through 49. It already did, remember what I was talking about last week. It made a move, that high probability move is after the intense move, that pullback. It already made that pullback. So now it's kind of, you know, those sellers that you're looking for that elevator flush down, they already got out. So now this is where you got to be a little bit more careful. It also looks like a breakout on the daily here, so I'm going to be extra careful with it.
in here? Anyone else trading?
GSAH just went
just
bananas.
Yeah, it just went. It just halted, I think.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, watch.
What is it?
I was about to hit, but then I seen it was fixing to halt. I was like, nah, that's not me.
Yeah, I'll hold off a second.
Just me looking at the action going on. It's I don't have level 2 up, so I don't know exactly when it's gonna halt. So, but it's like that bitch is about to halt.
Real
You
quick,
don't have
just to
level
show
2?
you. Let's see right back up.
No, I don't use it.
Just thing can be such a pain, man. Those bigger name stocks. Good thing we got the ad, because then we wouldn't even have got out break even there. This thing wants 349. Keeps going right to it. It's gonna blast
Not
through
much
too
volume
if
on
it does.
GSAH. Only 584,000.
And you,
If it gets through, it's
Most
gonna
of it came
pop.
on the last candle.
It's having trouble though.
that Yala's got almost 1 million shares trading. That's a mover.
It's going back up now.
It can do whatever it wants. It ain't get my money again.
Right back to it every time. This is not. It's definitely trying to break out. That's for sure.
The little puppy. So excited.
The shares keep stepping in there at 49, but
Not now, not now. Thank you so much. Take care.
there it went.
Oh man, I wish I had a dog again.
You gotta go get one.
I'd love to. My daughter's allergic to pets.
Yep.
Hyalogenic one, like one of those.
I think if you, because she's allergic to the fur.
This is a stop pretty much at high of day here. Not looking to go crazy with this one. Just really looking for this to get back through 49.
A GSAH opened.
Wow, that was wacky as shit.
Yes, it was.
Did we miss it?
I don't know what it's doing. It opened up at like 12:10, jumped to 13 with a high spike, and came back down. Now it's chopping at like 12:40. Crazy. I don't like it at all.
And it's only up 10% of the day, so it's not like it's got a huge move.
Oh yeah, it was all just right now.
Yeah, that's probably just the volume spike, not the price.
Jesus, that GSA opened up.
There's nothing here to short. There's only $1 here to even play with.
Yeah.
I need to just go play those apparently.
It's just moving really weird.
On to the next one. That's not extended nearly enough to pique my interest, at least.
Let's see.
Although if I don't get another trade today, getting out of Yala,
There we go.
easy. I had a day already. And I'm on the road all day, busy, so I'm not gonna push it.
Just looking for the 49 retest.
Where we going?
I'm not looking for anything big here. Kind of a grindy one. This thing is just very whippy. Right back up to where it was. Like pullback? No, you don't need no stinking pullback.
Tim, how you doing?
Doing alright.
Anything exciting?
I'm in XPEV, but it's not cooperating. Stop at Hive Day. Well, a little over Hive Day.
Oh, that's up nicely.
And we're gone. Not messing with this 350. I don't even care if it doesn't break. I'm not messing with it.
Yeah, they got a lot of credit that they can do a whole bunch of stuff with.
XPEV?
Yeah.
I just got out.
Looks like they just opened up a whole bunch of credit cards. Secured
That
1.98 billion credit, 12.8 billion credit line.
That's sorry excuse of a pullback right there. It wasn't even really a pullback. I was like, I'm not messing with this thing. It's starting to look like it was actually a decent little move right there, but then it started grinding, so I was like, I'm good. And I would have been stopped out right there anyway if I would have held through 50.
Save yourself a few cents.
Yeah. Looks like it might be a fake out there. Fuckers. Oh well. I went pretty small on that one, so I wasn't really worried about it.
What's that heat map thing cost you a month?
What's the math? 160-ish? It's 500 for 3 months.
I like the idea of it. I just don't know how practical it is for me to have access to it on a regular basis. I don't know if I
Well,
can
yeah,
do it on
for
my
you,
phone.
I feel it. Nah, it wouldn't. It needs a lot of. It's memory intensive.
Alright, yeah, so that wouldn't work on my phone. I'd need a desktop for that or a laptop.
Yeah.
Alright. Because there are trades in the middle of the day that you're not around for that I'd love to know what's going on.
It's actually kind of funny because those are the trades that it would be most helpful for, and it's not even what I use it for. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, because it's already got a whole bunch of data from the day collected.
Well, that and
Right
it's
from
showing
the
you,
scale.
yeah. And when things are actually moving a little bit slower, seeing those big support and resistance areas, they're more likely to hold or hold both ways.
Maybe when I become a big boy and trade for money instead of
The XPC, yeah, cheers.
Oh, XPEV just popped up.
What was that, Thomas?
EXPC.
This is exactly why I didn't want to mess
Well, I
with
should
it.
have gone long XPEV. Going to 50.
Yeah, you could tell it wanted to go higher, that's for sure. 50 is a pretty key mental area. It just looks like a breakout on the daily as well, and then apparently they got the good news, so there's a recipe for it to do what it's doing.
The sector that it's in doesn't hurt it either. How's Bitcoin today? Is it at 50 grand yet?
What?
Is Bitcoin at 50,000 yet?
Nah, I had like a 20% drop yesterday.
It's staying the same. It's still at like 33, 34,000 right now. So it didn't do anything today.
Oh, what a piece of crap. Short
Yeah, that thing might chill for a week. Everyone's like, all right, what just happened? All right, are we going back up or are we going back down? Are you going down? Is this the 80% drop for the year? Or, you know, like, what's going on here?
A bunch of millionaires were just made.
Well, there's a bunch of people that probably lost a lot of money, too. Buying the top.
Yeah.
Thinking it's going to 500,000. Look at this XPEV.
It's still going up.
Yeah, it blew through 50.
Good thing you got out.
Yeah.
That's why Tim's got rules. He doesn't let mistakes like what I get happen to him.
Yeah, the rules make me happy every once in a while.
If they're the right rules, more often than not, it'll pay you. And the other times, it protects you.
Yeah, my rules are literally just to protect me. I've been getting better at pushing the envelope a little bit to pay myself when need be.
Yeah.
Like, instead of just getting that single entry, I'll look for that backside ad, maybe even a couple times, knowing that I'm pretty sure I'm right. Look at this thing go. It's nuts.
Yep. All I can do is watch it. I can't stop
Look
it.
at her here. You gotta dry clean that. Thanks a lot. Take care.
Steve's like, you're going to dry clean that?
No. He's complaining about a shirt that I laundered. Didn't come out clean because he's got grease stains on it. I said, okay, well, we gotta dry clean that. That's gonna cost you $6 instead of $2. More money. I will happily dry clean it.
Do you have a physical location that you take all this stuff to? Or do you take it to your house?
Yeah, I take it to my house, and in the backyard, I've got a dry cleaning machine, pressing machine.
It's just out back in the open weather?
It's fantastic. I mean, in Jersey, we never get bad weather.
Oh, okay. Just like out there, he's like Lieutenant Dan, steam pressing clothes. Is that all you got?
I actually outsource everything. I have 2 dry cleaning plants that I give my work to, and 2 shirt plants that I give all my shirts to, laundromat and a seamstress that I bring my work to. The only overhead I have is my truck, which is paid for, and my computer, which prints the tickets and tags that all the dry cleaning, all those labels that are on your dry cleaning and your shirts. So print those labels, and I got a girl that attaches all those tickets.
So all you do is drive around and pick it up and drop it back off.
I pick up the bags from the customer. I take it back to my house. I go through the bag. I'll write down on the computer. The guy gave me 5 shirts, 1 suit, and a skirt and a dress. I'll print out those tickets, attach them to the clothes, put all the clothes up into bags, and drop them off at the dry cleaner. Actually, the dry cleaner picks it up from me, and I drive everything to the shirt place. And the next day, everything is ready. Dry cleaner drops the clothes back off in my garage. I pick up the shirts from the shirt guy, put them in the truck, drop them back off at the customer's house.
So if somebody's paying, say, that $6 for it to be done, like, what do you make from that?
My markup is about 200%.
So it costs you $2?
Yeah, if I'm charging $6, my cost is about $2.
So really, you're looking for quantity.
Yes. The more customers, each customer having a bigger bag. So that's what COVID really did to me. It's killed me because now a customer, instead of giving me $28 worth of dry cleaning, they're now giving me $22.
Yeah, because they don't have as much stuff.
Right, they're staying at home. They're not wearing. Yeah.
Right. So the per bag has gone down, which means in order for me to make up for it, I have to pick up more bags. And each bag I pick up takes
more gas and
yeah. So granted, I'll have 3 houses on the same block. I'll park the car and I'll go to 3 houses. But now I got to go to 4 houses to make up for it. So I got to get that extra customer.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, getting customers is not the easiest thing right now because no one's doing anything. Because everybody's sitting at home having their Zoom meetings, putting a jacket on just for the Zoom meeting, taking it off, wearing sweatpants instead of a suit, not going out to dinner and getting dirty. So the need for dry cleaning is not what it was back in 2019. So I got to spend more time advertising and pushing for new customers to make up for the drop-off of my current customers. Or I'll just trade more with you guys.
Yeah.
Which is what I'd rather do. If I could do this for a living, that would be such a dream job. Oh my God. I get 3 monitors set up at my desk, sitting at home. Oh, that is a dream.
Starting to get into that part of the morning where much isn't really doing what you want it to do.
In the meantime, I got to do both.
Yeah.
Try and build up the account. Which so far has been going fantastic this year. We're only 10 days in.
Hey, good 10 days is better than a bad 10 days.
Absolutely. Green every day. Super green on last Friday.
Jason, what's up, man? Blew up the Sam. Uh-oh. What'd you blow up on? I think we're going to switch over to the scanners here soon. I might just call it. This is kind of brutal. Really not much going on. This XPEV might actually get a little bit of a drop. Maybe back down to this area here, 49.50. Looks like it's already completed it. Before I'd say 45.20 was kind of that base. Or not.
Got the BLNK. Jeez, Etsy kept going, looks like. Ended up being a good dodge. Oh, look at XPEV. XPEV kind of had everything going for it. Breakout on the daily, news. Makes sense.
Man, where's Devin at? He'd be telling us the news on that.
Steve already told us.
Oh yeah, is that the one with the
Yeah, the
credit card?
funding.
Yeah.
The biggest candle of the day right here. Damn.
Yep. I just got out of BLNK. Momo's moving.
Yeah, I just pulled it up.
I cannot type. This is another one. A little sketchy on the daily. Volume out of nowhere. I mean snooze. Just no selling pressure. XPEV finally doing the same thing it did over here. Give this a shot here on XPEV. See if this does actually get a real pullback down towards 50. And there went Momo. Looks like it tried to go higher and faked out. That's why I was actually interested. If this was just still a little continuous move down, probably wouldn't have touched it, but probably gonna prove me wrong anyway. We'll see. It's got some decent topping candles here. Oh, Momo with a nice little drop there. If we can get through 50-80, should get a nice little flush. Fake out galores. Fake outs galore. Oh, there's the drop on Momo. That's what we were looking for here on XPEV. You think I'd learn my lesson with this crap? I never do. I was about to add if I wanted to hold there for a sec, but I actually got pushed right back down. We need it to fail. Yeah, I was gonna say, because then it's gonna start looking like it's holding the trend line and 51. We need this to fail 51. Just keep getting bar right back up. 51. Yeah. Come on, 51. There we go. Come on, let's get through. Give us the flush. Give us the flush. Give us the flush. I'm just taking half there, just to be safe. Just get back to our original position here. Just kind of see what it wants to do. Not messing with it. Take it off break even, just let it be. Honestly, this looks like the backside, but I'm just not looking to mess with it. I'm going to be done for the day. Just not mentally here. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, serves me right. Alright, I'm going to put the scanners up for about 13 minutes. I'll cut them off at 11. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Not the best of day, not the worst of days. Just not feeling it anymore. So, yeah. See you tomorrow. Peace. Realized my mic was still on. Sorry.
Min BTBT.
You found her.
Yeah. We'll see if she's nice to me today. And I got a little on Momo. I got in too early on that though, but I made some money. She's being nice to me right now. Keep going. You know you want to. I'm out. That trump, I did not want any part of it. Probably a mistake, but I can live with it. I'll be back in a little bit.
All right. this is. Yep. I know the feeling. I had one play and played it. That was it.
All right, everybody. I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.